This video will demonstrate simple programming and calibration on the McCafe MCO dispenser. Disconnect brewer from power source. Remove 4 screws and top cover. Locate the slide switch on control board behind display assembly. Down equals normal, up equals locked. When locked, only time and date can be changed. All other screens will display read only. Brewer must be powered down each time switch is moved in order for the change to take effect. Press the button logo until the program screen appears. Press time, date to advance to set the time and date. Press to highlight desired box, then press up or down to adjust. Press save when finished. Select language button. Select which language and press save. Select password. Enter 4-digit password. Press enter when finished. Confirm password and press enter. Press save when finished. Select units. Select English or metric. Press save when finished. Press advance to enter the programming screens. Press drink setup. Select desired drink to access setup screen. Here you can enable, disable by pressing the green boxes. Pressing white box will enable disable the coffee icon. Pressing white boxes under volume will display keypad to adjust ounces. Use advanced setup screen to adjust pump pressure and times. Lower pressure will increase brew times. Higher pressure will decrease brew times. Machine setup. Select drink. Green box indicates selection is enabled and will not brew until temperature reaches the set value. Pressing the white temperature boxes will display the keypad screen. Select water. Here you can enable, disable the hot water lockout feature. Green box indicates selection is enabled and hot water will not be dispensed when temperature is below the set value. Pressing the white boxes will display the keypad screen. Select Energy Saver. Here you can enable, disable the Energy Saver feature. Green box indicates selection is enabled. Half hour to 24 hours in 30-minute increments. Choice of dropping to 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees centigrade or off. Service tools. Diagnostics. These 2 screens allows you to manually operate various machine components for testing purposes. All are defaulted to off and may be momentarily turned on by pressing the associated white box next to it. Select Calibrate. Select Volume. Weigh or tear an empty 12-ounce or larger container. Place empty container under brew chamber. Caution, hot liquid will be dispensed. Press Start. When cycle finishes, weigh filled container. Subtract first measure from second to get the net weight of water. Repeat procedure at least 3 times to get an average volume. Press the white volume dispensed box. Enter in the average weighed volume. Press enter. Verify or adjust cup volumes if needed. Press Save to retain the new setting. Select temperature. Insert a known accurate temperature sensing probe through the tank lid plug to a depth of 6 inches. Enter the measured temperature in the white box. The uncalibrated temperature should be the old reading. Calibrated temperature should be equal to the measured temperature. Temperature offset should be the difference between the two. Adjust sensitivity of refill probe according to water quality. Always make sure that the status is filled. New refill value should always be higher than current refill value when water is contacting the tank refill probe. Press Save when finished. Factory default. Be sure this is what you want to do before you start. Press the Restore Defaults. This will restore all machine settings back to the factory set default values. Turn off the power switch. Carefully insert USB flash drive into socket. Note: make sure there are no other files are stored on the drive other than what you are updating. Turn on power switch. Select Import, Export. Select Import. Allow files to finish loading. Turn off the power switch. Carefully remove USB flash drive from socket. Follow same procedures for export to copy drink machine settings to the flash drive. Reinstall 4 screws and the top cover. Turn on power switch. Note: resetting to factory defaults will reset drink settings, current history, language, units, and password. It will not reset calibrations or clear live counter.